Today, we celebrate Independence Day. Flags will be raised simultaneously in different venues nationwide. Our Rex Remito joins us live from the Aguinaldo Shrine in Cavite, where the country's independence was proclaimed 122 years ago. Rex, what activities are we expecting there today?
It will be a simple but meaningful celebration of the proclamation of the country's independence. The Kawit local government says safety will remain their priority in all their activities and ceremonies. Mayor Angelo Aguinaldo will lead the ceremonies. He's the great-grandson of former President General Emilio Aguinaldo. Now, we're seeing some preparations here. He will raise the Philippine flag from the balcony of the Aguinaldo Shrine at exactly 8 in the morning. Mayor Aguinaldo will then lead the attendees for an oath of allegiance to the Philippine flag. Reverend Father Rainer Dumaop, meanwhile, will say a short prayer for the Philippines. After that, the mayor will go on with a wreath-laying ceremony. The local government and the media will stream the event on their social media platforms. The local government is also requiring everyone to observe physical distancing at all times. Everyone is required to wear a face mask and regularly use the alcohol that they provided. The local government says all the activities abide with the Interagency Task Force guidelines. But despite the need for physical distancing, he says what's important is we are together in heart and spirit. Mayor Aguinaldo says now is the time to even deeply commemorate the value of our freedom, especially since we're now facing a war this year, which is the battle against the coronavirus pandemic. He says we never gave up despite the challenges that the pandemic and some political issues are throwing at us. He also says that at least after 122 years, we Filipinos are still united despite the efforts of some to divide us. Back to you.
Rex, it's a rainy morning in some parts of the country due to tropical depression Buchoy. How's the weather there, and will this affect any of the activities that you mentioned?
It's been drizzling here for a while. It's also cloudy, but we're still seeing some preparations. Police personnel are stationed all over the place, and they're saying that the activities and ceremonies will go on as scheduled. Ria.
For that, Rex Remito reporting from Cavite.